Ever felt like your money disappears faster than a roach at a reggae concert? You're not alone. Tracking finances can feel like deciphering ancient hieroglyphics. But what if there was an app that, well, snooped around and helped you make sense of it all? That's where Snoop, the financial app, steps in. But hold on, isn't that the rapper with the smooth flow and, shall we say, less than traditional financial background? Nope, this Snoop operates in the world of fintech, not beats. So, how many people are using this hip new way to manage their money? Let's dive into the world of Snoop and find out. From humble beginnings to big money moves. Snoop wasn't born with a silver credit card. It started in 2019 as a small app with a big mission, to empower people to take control of their finances. They use fancy terms like open banking technology to connect with your bank accounts and credit cards. Basically, it's like having a financial bloodhound sniffing out your spending habits. This financial sleuthing helps Snoop identify areas where you can, save some G's. We're talking in used subscriptions, hidden fees, and maybe even that daily latte habit. But Snoop isn't just a snitch, it's your financial homie. It uses the intel it gathers to give you personalized tips and tricks to manage your money better. Think of it as your own pocket-sized financial advisor, minus the hefty fees. So, how many people are snooping around? All right, the question you've all been waiting for. How many Snoop Dogg fans, Snoop app users, are out there? Here's the thing, with startups, exact user numbers can be a bit of a secret handshake. But we can dig up some clues. In 2023, Snoop boasted about crossing 1 million app downloads. That's 1 million people taking charge of their finances, which is pretty Snoop-tastic. Then there's the Snoop acquisition by Vanquis Banking Group in July 2023. Vanquis has a cool 1.75 million customers under its belt. While we can't say for sure how many of those folks hopped on the Snoop train, it hints at some serious growth potential. Snoop versus the big leagues, a financial dogfight. Snoop might be the new kid on the block, but how does it stack up against established financial management apps? Traditional players often come with monthly fees and a user interface that could put you to sleep faster than a Snoop Dogg lullaby. Snoop, on the other hand, focuses on being accessible and user-friendly. Plus, there's no word yet on any subscription fees, which keeps more money in your pocket for, well, whatever your pockets desire. The future of Snoop, from here to financial freedom. With the backing of Vanquis and a growing user base, Snoop's future is looking bright. They're constantly innovating, like launching their AI-powered chatbot for financial Q&A. Imagine this, Snoop Dogg answering your most burning money woes, well, virtually at least. The final verdict, should you be snooping around with this app? Whether Snoop is your financial soulmate depends on your needs. If you're looking for a user-friendly app to gain control of your finances and avoid unnecessary fees, Snoop might be worth checking out. Remember, Snoop is still a young pup in the financial world. So, keep an eye out for updates and future features before you take the plunge. But hey, even Snoop Dogg himself started somewhere, right? Maybe Snoop, the app, can help you get your financial flow on point. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on snooping for a brighter financial future.